Today, let's replace this rear window regulator on this 2012 Chevy Silverado. First, we need to take this rear seat out. Seats together. This out of here. Oh, and it runs behind there. How inconvenient. And pry this bottom part out. Clip right there. This cable retainer can go because the new one comes with it. Has it right here. So end up breaking this to pop it out. Now let's remove the window regulator. Okay. Well, behind this seatbelt loop, there's definitely not enough room to pull this cable out. So, really, Chevy, this is how you do it? Alright, I've torn apart the old one here. What they do is they have this in here, and then they poke holes in both sides, and that has metal on the inside that digs into the sheath. You can see where it was being held on both sides, here and there on the other side. Let's install the passenger side first. Okay, I'm going to make a slight modification to the factory cable routing here because there's no way this is going to fit. I'm just going to go right in front of it and it'll go in the clips on either side. So let's install this. I need to move that keeper. I'll install the cable into the window. Alright, let's install the driver's side. Installed it in this clip and this clip. I'm skipping this clip. And I'm skipping that clip right there around the seatbelt thing. I'll leave this cable right here. It'll work just fine, and it'll be between this plastic part, and so it won't rub on the seatbelt, and it'll be in the rest of the clips over that way. I have the keeper clip installed. I got the passenger side keeper clip installed. Now let's put this in these clips here. This clip goes right in there. Now we're ready to install the regulator onto the motor. Oh yeah, we need to pull out this thing right here and install it on the motor. There we go. And cinch it down tight. See how it works. Cool. Added a little silicone spray. Let's get this back together. I forgot one thing. This little foam piece. Now to install the trim cover. And trim cover on this side. Cover. In place. Let's get these seats back in here. Oh yeah. Let's not forget to install the car seat anchors. Bolt the seatbelt in. And let's bolt the other seatbelt in. Okay, I'm putting away this jack, spare tire tools back under the seat. And I didn't know that this was not a bracket that holds the spare tire jack in place. These are actually wheel chocks. Who knew? They're not what I expected. Jack goes and you just turn the jack to extend it to lock it in place.